there was a man who was selling a parrot and it was quite pricey. $10,000. One of the potential buyers inquired, "What's with the parrot? Why so expensive?" "Oh, well," explained the man, "this parrot is a genius and a religious at the same time." Now, if you could just imagine that the parrot was balancing itself on a tin pole, on a tin stick, and there were two strings, one attached to the left foot and the other attached to the right. The man explained, if you're going to pull the left string attached to the left foot, this parrot is going to say a prayer in Spanish. Wow! Can I give that a try? The potential buyer said, "Well, go ahead." And the man pulled the string, tug, and suddenly the parrot prayed in Spanish. "En el nombre del Padre y el Hijo y el Espíritu Santo. Amen." Wow! Outstanding! That is utterly impressive, the man said. "But how about if I pull the right string?" "Well, this parrot," explained the owner, "will say a prayer in Latin." "Really? Can I give it a try?" "Go ahead." And the man pulled the right string attached to the right foot. Tug! And suddenly, the parrot said a prayer in Latin, "In nomine Patris, et Filii, et Spiritus Sancti. Amen." Wow! Magnificent! So now, the potential buyer is almost totally sold out and probably was willing to buy the parrot. And then, he had the last question. He said, "What if I pull the two strings together?" And the parrot suddenly interrupted and joined in the conversation and said to the man, "Eh di, nahulog ako. Adik ka ba?"